Here's a quick video to show how to use insert model items when creating a drawing in SolidWorks. So I'm going to open this model. There's already a drawing associated with it, so we'll try to open the associated drawing by using the File Open Drawing command, which doesn't work. So we can try to manually find the drawing, and it's not in here. So we'll just make a new drawing. Do it in millimeters because this part is modeled in millimeters. And drop the front view of the part on the drawing, side view so we can later show the material thickness, and change the scale on the drawing to 1 to 2, make it a little more size friendly. Get rid of this note. That's not a parametric dimension, that's simply a note. It doesn't do anything automatically. You can click the Insert Model Items button, select entire model, highlight the types of dimensions you want here, click the green check mark. Then drop all the dimensions on the drawing. But you see some of these are overlapped. So you can left to right window. Notice the highlight window on that is blue. I'll get back to that in a minute. Around all the drawings so they're collected. Click on this ghost window and auto arrange dimensions. Replace all the dimensions where they don't overlap. You can do the same thing in this view. One dimension. Just manually drag that one over. And all the dimensions are in place. Now, you noticed earlier I did a left to right, I went around everything. If you did a right to left, notice the window is green. You don't have to completely border all the text you're trying to select with the green window. You can just notice the green window only covers part of the text, a little border right here, but even though the window covers part of the text, it'll fully select it. Conversely, if you partially cover the text with the left or right highlight, if it's not completely inside this blue window, I'm not going to select it. See, this text didn't get selected. Anyway, just a little Windows trick if you didn't already know that. So anyway, we're going to save this drawing here. Automatically saves it as the file name, but with the .sldrw extension. And